Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we are checking out this Bluetooth OBD2 code reader for any OBD2 vehicle, pretty darn much. This one comes. What do you mean?
What's an OBD? Whenever you said vehicle.
An OBD2 vehicle. It's most vehicles built after 1996. OBD is onboard diagnostic system. That's what the OBD is.
So like 1997 and upper.
1996 and newer. Or it could read canned vehicles as well. So this should read over 90% of the vehicles on the market. So if you do have a check engine light on, this super cheap OBD2 reader, Bluetooth reader, I got offline. There will be a link in the description to buy this. I'm going to set up the program on the computer. We're going to go over that, and then it is really so easy to be able to check your computer that a kid could do it. So we're going to go over this. We're going to go ahead and go inside and load it, come back out, and we'll read the computer on this 04 Dodge Ram and also on my 2000 Acura, just to show you how easy it is to read the computer. While you're coming along, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and let's get going.
Go ahead and take it out of the package. Here's the reader right here. Set that down. We're looking for the CD. The CD is key for right now. Here's your instructions for torque and how to use it pretty quick. Open up your CD. Go ahead and put it in your CD-ROM on your laptop or computer. Just playing with something else right there. Take that out. Here's the disc that comes with the OBD2 reader. You're going to open it up, and I'm going to go to the Android devices. I'm going to put the torque APK on my desktop right there. Plug my phone in. Open up the folder for my phone and go to the download tabs in my phone. Right here, phone, and then go to downloads and put it in your downloads folder. The file that you put on your desktop, now put that in your downloads folder. Got it in there. Go ahead and close it out. Disconnect my phone. Now go to my downloads. Gotta find it. Here it is, and there's torque right there on top. I'm going to go ahead and open that file. It is an APK file that the phone will open up and load. Here I had to OK the phone to enable unauthorized apps, I think it was, or something like that, or unsecure apps. If you're using Facebook, you could probably use this app. Just saying. Our torque is now added. The app is on my phone. Loading, loading, loading. Alright, and here we go. This is torque. This is the operating screen. Let's go ahead and take these outside. Plug it into your OBD2 connector and turn it on, like so. Now I'm going to go to my Bluetooth and find the OBD2 connector. OBD2 Bluetooth connector. Here it is, and the code is 1234 when I initially set it up. Now that it's connected on Bluetooth, you need to open up torque and go into the settings on torque. Turn on the Bluetooth in settings, and then you go down and choose the Bluetooth device that you have paired. Right here.
So we got that. So now we're talking to the vehicle. Alright, so now everything is set up.